Guys, today I want to talk about ShineOn is basically the best and I think the only jewelry print on demand company around. I'm so excited to be doing this video to show you guys how you can get high quality products and get high margins on personalized products. The thing that we're going to be talking about today with ShineOn is their Shopify app. Most people have Shopify, and then of course some people have Etsy, but you can sell definitely on Shopify, and we're going to talk a little bit more about ShineOn. ShineOn has lots of customers and users who have gone viral for their products, who make lots of money, and I'm excited to get my products from ShineOn so I can show you guys the quality. And you can see in this video, you'll see me design some of their best-selling products and also unbox and review that product. So this may be a two-part video. As you can see, they have some of their top-selling products here. Their Alluring Beauty necklace to the engraved watch, and even pictures where you can upload on dog tags. This is amazing. I love that here it breaks down what you can sell it at and what you can make. As you see, for the Alluring Beauty necklace, the average base cost for this necklace is only $14.40. They recommend you sell it for $49.95, and the average profit could be from $30 to $35, which is amazing for jewelry and a high-end product. Here they show how they have factories in Tampa and Amsterdam, which is amazing for a jewelry company. And basically it's saying we pay you to sell. Here's some reviews for different people who use ShineOn. They also have a Facebook group that I've also joined as well. And then here, like most print on demand sites, they kind of walk you through the steps of how to make this easy for you to get started. You publish your products, you drive the traffic, they fulfill your orders, and then you profit from that. If you want to get started with ShineOn, I'll also leave my link in my description box so you guys can sign up for ShineOn. And then I'm going to go through the process of connecting the Shopify app and also showing you guys how to design your product, and you will see my review on the products that I designed. Here, let's talk about the Shopify app that is getting ready to launch, but you will be able to download the app. But this is just an overview of the app that they have for Shopify, show you different ways to maximize your profits and more information here. So it says build an incredible handcrafted goods brand with ShineOn Shopify app, and then you can go ahead and click install free app, and I'll go ahead and walk you guys through that process now.
I'm going to go ahead and connect my Shopify to ShineOn. Here it asks for your Shopify URL, so I'm going to paste mine here and connect my Shopify store. And there you have it. There is the ShineOn print on demand app. Even though it has not launched officially yet, it will soon. You guys can see that it's telling you, hey, we haven't reviewed this app yet. And if you want to use this, you have to agree to these certain things. I'm going to go ahead and actually allow it and download it. And now I can go ahead and publish my first product.
You guys saw me go ahead and connect my Shopify store. So the first thing that it wants you to do is publish your first product. Here's a few of their best sellers. And I think I'm going to go ahead with the Eternal Hope necklace. And I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. As you see, you can upload your own message card design. So I'm going to hit continue. And now what it wants me to do is upload my artwork. Look at what it looks like here. It says 1,000 by 1,000 pixels is the max size, and it says it has a message card guide below. So you can download the message card template, and then if you are looking for a pre-made card designs, they have designs here, pre-made designs. So here is that page. I'm just waiting for this to come up. Let's see. Message card background. You can type in keywords here, just in case you're like really bad at designing. It said 1,000 by 1,000. You see where the necklace comes. So I'm going to go ahead over to Canva, and I am going to try and create something while we're there. And I'm going to hit create new design. So the Eternal Hope necklace. I am big on branding for moms and stuff like that. So I think that I want this to be the business and babies boss mom necklace card. Let's look at some of the background that they have. Let's look for some glitter. I always like a little shimmer on something. So there's some gold. And then I'm just going to put a regular square probably, oh, that's gold, but I might do black. Let's see what it looks like once I go ahead and make it a little bit transparent to show some of that sparkle there, just a little. Let's find a text that we like. I'm going to start here, and then I'm going to go on to, oh, this is the text that I use for it anyway. So look here, it says to my daughter. So here I want it to a boss mom. We're gonna about right here, and then I'm going to copy that, and I'm gonna put that same businesses and baby hashtag boss mom. Again, let's look at it and look at the placement. It's about here. And remember, this is new, so it's okay if it's not perfect. You get what I'm saying? So it's okay for us to make mistakes. It is okay for us to make mistakes. So I'm going to take the logo and I'm going to make it really small, and I'm going to put it like about there. I want to see what this looks like. I'm going to download this one. And of course, if the spacing and stuff is not right, I'll just go back and move it and make it better. But for right now, this is what we have. I'm going to drop it there, and it's uploading. And then, of course, like it says, revise. I'm going to go ahead and continue to the product. All right, y'all, that was pretty perfect. If we want to, we can take it up a notch, but this looks really good. So I'm going to put businesses and babies, boss, mom, hope necklace. Woo! So you can type a message here. Over here, you can choose the different, they have different images. They have these stock images, all of the information you need, which is amazing. So it tells you with the standard box, the mahogany style luxury box, product pages, and then let's see what's next. Make sure we're doing everything correctly. I have the name. Do make sure you guys put in your own stuff, and if you need to change pictures, again, this is for tutorial purposes. So I'm going to hit publish product. All right, so it's creating a product on my website. And again, I did connect to Shopify. You can also connect to Etsy. As you see, it's adding the images as they go. So that's what's taking it a little bit long. All right, so we have our first necklace here. And again, these are like the extra images you can choose to put, like you can tag these ones, the one that you want, and it'll show up, as well as the variants that they have, and then the price and all that. You can also order samples for a discounted price. I'm going to go ahead and order a few things so I can unbox for you guys as well. But I'm going to go ahead and click here to view it on the store to see what it looks like. And here we have businesses and babies, boss mom, hope necklace. And then here you see the different images with my picture on there. I'm gonna close that real quick so I can see it. All right, so here's the picture, here's the images. Every time you click that, you see a different one. So I may move that to a boss mom up a little bit, just because now I'm seeing it a little bit more. So I may change that. That is it. Really simple, really quick to get your stuff together. You can go through this, publish your first product, basically what I just did. Through that step, make sure you update your payment status and settings, make your first sale, and then join the ShineOn Facebook group. So many different things. You can look at all of their products here. Let's check out their top sellers. These are all of your products here. And then we have ShineOn's catalog, so you can see more of the things. I love anything solid gold. I love that. The two hearts is super cute. Really nice stuff. I know the dog tag is something that a lot of people like as well. They have pictures, lids, keychains, so many different things. So I'm sure you'll be able to create and design something for somebody. Like, the possibilities are endless. This would probably do really well on an Etsy store, especially for people who have small businesses. This is amazing. Yeah, so that is ShineOn, guys. I've connected my Shopify store. I'm going to create some more items, and then we are going to go ahead and order some products, and then I'll come back to you guys so you can see what I ordered. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.